You know what I'm saying? So I wake up this morning, you know what I'm saying, people on the internet, you know what I'm saying, skip coon, skip coon, skip coon, skip coon. You know what I'm saying? Like they don't know how I get down. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here in this blizzard. I'm straight. You know why I'm straight? Because I got that heat on me. I got that heat on me. Swimming trunks, flip-flops, t-shirt, in the blizzard. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't want beef. I'm out here in the snow. Y'all want to play games? I ain't got none but that heat on me. See, if y'all want to get down, y'all know I'm in the streets every day. Every day I'm in the blizzard, baby. I'm out here. It ain't nothing to get it crack-a-lacking. I'm right here. In these elements. Every day. I ain't running from nothing. I ain't scared of nothing. I'm right here. I'm right here chilling. In the blizzard. I ain't even cold because I got that heat on me. I got that heat on me. The willing creatures scurrying about. They ain't coming this way. You know why? Because I got that heat on me. I don't need a fire. I don't need nothing. I got what I need, and it's this heat. Flip-flops, swimming trunks, t-shirt, no vest. I'm out here getting it in. I'm kicking it in these elements. I ain't even tripping on them. All this ice, just what I know. This how my heart is. Y'all seeing my heart. Right here. Right here with this heat on. Y'all want beef? Y'all want war? You got it.